move all this stuff on our own. Where's Diggs?
Oh, he said something about getting new treads.
Hey!
What, treads?
These are treads, Scoochy, my old mate. Ha! But not just any treads. These are turbo treads for the truck who wants to look turborific.
Wow! They really are turborific.
Turbo silly, don't you mean?
Oh, you just wish you had some.
I do not. And anyway, there's no way Bowser's going to let you wear them.
Oh, no. Baroom!
Oh, sorry.
Way! Turbo treads!
Oh, no. What was wrong with your old tyres, Diggs? They were smart and sensible, and they still had lots of wear left in them.
But these are supposed to be really fast. All the other backhoes are wearing them. Baroom, baroom!
Diggs, a construction site is not the place for high fashion.
I remember it being the place for a certain bulldozer and his beads on flowers.
Omni padme
Groovy.
Well, that was a long time ago, Carl.
Yeah?
Well, I suppose we could do with a bit of speed today. All right, Diggs, you can wear them.
Oh, thanks, Bowser. Baroom, baroom, baroom!
Fantastic. Do they come in the colours?
They do, but the red ones make you go the fastest.
I don't like them.
Really?
Yeah, they do.
But have they got, like, purple ones and green ones and...
Yeah, they do.
Ah, thank you. Today, we will be demolishing the old warehouse and water cooler.
Oh! Wow.
We will take care of the warehouse and leave the water cooler for Carl and his demo ball.
Oh, an outing for Mr. Roundy.
So, let's bring it on down. Line behind.
How fast are those turbo things?
Oh, couldn't really say. Just don't blink your headlights or you'll miss me. Baroom! Hey!
Wow! Come on, Carrie.
Bring down the house. Hit those walls and knock 'em flat. Bring down the house today. Bring down the house.
Bowser, doze 'em just like that.
Bring down the house today.
Grab 'em with your grabber and then rip 'em out the way. We've got to get this warehouse down. That's our job today.
Bring down the house.
Leave something for Carl to do.
Bring down the house today. Bring down the house.
They're the team who really mean to bring down that house today. Bring down that house today.
Ow. Ow.
Oh, Diggs, are you okay?
Oh, Scooch, my wheels are killing me. I mean, these treads may look great, but they feel really terribly good. Hello, Bowser.
Ah, Diggs. I need a speedy machine to check the inside of the water cooler before Carl knocks it down.
I am that speedy machine.
After all, I don't want it falling on anything or anyone important. Good machines.
Okay. Diggs, I thought you said...
Oh, I know, but after all the fuss I made, I can't tell Bowser how uncomfortable these things are.
Oh, look. You stay here and take the weight off your wheels, and I'll go and check the water cooler.
Would you? Oh, Scooch, you're the best buddy a backhoe could have.
Okay. Mind behind. Excuse me. Pardon me. Backing up.
Ow. Ow. Oh.
Check the...
Ready, Carl?
Mr. Roundy is ready.
Well, Diggs is here. Carl, go ahead.
Oh, Bowser, no, stop. My treads were hurting so much, I asked Scooch to go and check the water cooler for me. and he's still in there.
That means Scooch is in danger. Carl, stop! Oh no, he can't hear me.
Don't worry, Bozer. I got Scooch into this mess, and I'll get him out.
Be careful, Diggs, and be quick.
Oh, well, it looks pretty empty to me. Pretty empty to me. Oh, I like the way my voice echoes. I like the way my voice echoes. Hello! Hello!
I'll sound my horn. That might stop Carl.
Scooch! Scooch!
Scooch! Scooch!
Oh, hello, Diggs. I thought you were an echo. What are you doing here? I thought your treads were hurting.
Don't worry about that now, Scooch. Carl's just about to knock this place down. Just move!
Did they get out in time?
Diggs? Scooch?
They're okay!
That was a very brave thing you did, Diggs.
Especially as your treads were really hurting you. How do they feel now?
Well, apart from the fact my hubcaps feel like they're about to explode, they're fine.
Thanks for rescuing me, Diggs.
Oh, that's okay, buddy. I'm just sorry I was more interested in the way I looked than the danger I was putting you into. I promise I'll never do that again.
Well, Diggs, at least you've learned something from all this.
Usually I'd take this opportunity to gloat, Diggs. But not today. Well done.
Thanks, Carrie.
Well, did Mr. Rowley do a good one?
They can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.